every day.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing today? So today's video is about natural hair care, and in this video I'm going to be taking care of my former help's natural hair. She has always been complaining that her hair is very difficult to manage and that sometimes her comb cannot pass through, and I decided to try my method, the way I take care of my own hair and my daughter's hair, to see if it will work for her. I am no professional in these things. I'm also learning, okay? So I asked her to come to my place when she's free. She came and then I saw her hair. After touching her hair, I discovered that her hair is thirsty of water, thirsty of moisture. So you guys can see the hair is dry, it's matted, it's dirty, and I decided to first and foremost, I don't know why I keep saying first and foremost but though I decided to use my hairspray, my DIY hairspray, to saturate her hair first, because as I tried to pass the comb through her hair, the comb could not pass through at all. So I went in and I moisturized her hair deeply and properly and massage it deep inside her hair shaft. Say it's shaft, I mean shaft. It's shaft, right? I massaged it inside. Please, English is not my language. I'm trying, right? Please, I am trying. So I massaged the hairspray inside her hair to soften her hair. As you can see, it really worked, because now I'm able to part her hair properly. Okay, so this is the first step in detangling her hair. Inside my spray bottle is carrot, rosemary and onion peel. That's what is inside my spray bottle. I feel like to say it out in case somebody might want to know what I'm using, in case somebody's wondering what I'm using to saturate her hair with. Okay, so after parting her hair, it's now time to properly detangle her hair. And guys, remember to work in section. I worked in section with her hair, and you guys will see the end result. I first didn't finger detangle. Chineke, why is it difficult? First and foremost, wow. Anyway, I finger detangled her hair with my leave-in conditioner, guys. I realized that the content inside the cup is small, so now I have to add another one to add to it, because guys, like I said, her hair is really plenty, guys. Her hair is plenty, and I added my oil. This new method works very well. You can try it also if you have her type of hair. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm working the leave-in conditioner inside her hair. I'm working it in properly, and I'm finger detangling. Finger detangle before combing through, guys. If you don't want to lose a lot of hair, finger detangle. When you are finger detangling, you'll be able to even properly remove knots and shed hair. Okay, don't just go immediately and start combing your hair. Finger detangle, it will help. So when you finger detangle finish, you comb with a wide tooth comb. And then brush the hair with tangle teaser, or something that looks like tangle teaser, like this one I'm using right now. Okay, so yeah, that's the first step.
I believe in a better day, living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
now that I've finished detangling her hair, it's now time to shampoo her hair. Once I'm done shampooing, I'll pour my tea rinse, cover it, and then whip my deep conditioner. So right here is the making of my deep conditioner. First and foremost, God, I break egg inside my plate, and then I put 2 spoons, 2 to 3 spoons of mayonnaise. This is normal salad mayonnaise, guys. Then I noticed that it's not going to be much because of her hair is really large. Her hair is plenty, please forget that large. All right, so I'm going to add conditioner to it also to increase the quantity of the um deep conditioner. And then when I'm done, I will now put the last one will be my oil. I'll pour oil inside the this thing, inside the deep conditioner to complete the deep condition to complete the hey to complete the making of the deep conditioner. See guys, see how I'm struggling to do voice notes. I don't know why, but voice notes is always very difficult for me. We'll conquer anyway. Sha, it's self-explanatory. Um I hope that you are getting what I'm doing from what I'm doing. All right, let me stop talking. Nelegudu, look at how easy it is now to finger detangle her hair. Like thing just dey like easy breezy, they go like that. That's what we are looking for, okay? This is what we are looking for initially when we even begin this thing. So it means our effort is working. So yeah, I am happy. In case you're wondering, this is after I finish shampooing the hair, and of course I am putting this deep conditioner on top of the tea rinse. I didn't wash it out. Okay, I didn't wash it out. When I finish deep conditioning her hair, she's going to wear a what do you call it, a plastic bag on top of it to let it still sit for at least 30 to 1 hour, and then we'll wash it out. Guys, I'm sorry I didn't show any part of the washing. It's normal way of washing hair. I didn't think it was necessary, but if you want, maybe next time I will show it all. So yeah, it's actually very simple. You guys, look at how comb was gliding, finger was going through, brush was, everything was just, it was giving everything a moisturized hair was supposed to give. And her hair is healthy. She's lucky. Her hair is very healthy. Apart from the fact that it was dehydrated at first, her hair is very healthy. So yeah, once we are done, we'll cover, and then when the time is due, we'll wash it, and then we'll now do the final part of this video, which is the styling. Okay, so yeah, if you've stayed till this point, guys, and you've not liked this video, Ogini Kineche now, and what are you waiting for, sister of God? Please support your girl. It's just to like, oh, go cost you any 1 naira, I promise you. Just click like and it is done. Okay, and if you like, do you know what happens? YouTube will now push this video forward so that people who might actually like this video will see it, and then they will benefit from it too. So thank you in advance for liking my video. And if you can even go a step further, you can now subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Oh, God bless you very much. So this is the final part of this hair washing. What will I call it? Okay, so I finished washing her hair completely, and I applied leave-in conditioner at that spot. That is immediately I finished washing her hair, while her hair was still very much damp. I applied leave-in conditioner. That's why you didn't see me putting leave-in conditioner again here. But towards the end, when the hair started drying out, I added leave-in conditioner again. Alright, so it's pretty much it though. This is me like trying to style the hair, because trying to put the hair in a protective style, because I'm not the one that will make her hair. She will go home and make her hair, right? We don't want the hair to dry out. We can't leave the hair like this. So put it in a protective style, so that when she go home, she will unravel it very easy, and then she will make her hair. Immediately I finish putting her hair in protective style, I oil her scalp and her hair. I oil the scalp and the hair. Okay, very, very, very important. Your scalp also needs this love. If you notice, this my butter that I'm putting in it, I'm not putting it on her scalp because it's thick, guys. It's not good for her. It's not good for scalp. So I'm only putting it on her hair. It's the oil that I'm going to put on her scalp very well. You will see everything in this video. So after that, you guys are also going to see the hair that she shedded before I condition and moisturize her hair, and the hair that she lost after I finish moisturizing her hair. Okay guys, please just try your best and take care of your hair this 2023. Okay, it doesn't even cost much. In place of shampoo, if you don't have money to buy shampoo, buy black soap, pour hot water, pour oil, your shampoo is ready. You can use aloe vera as a detangler. You can use what, mayonnaise, just like I used as a deep conditioner. Buy shea butter if your hair likes it. Just be testing different things. You will definitely find out something that is cost effective that your hair also loves very much. Okay, so yeah, here is me wishing you all a healthy hair, and this video is actually dedicated to all my friends who have been complaining that their hair is difficult. This is me telling them that hair, if you take care of it, it is easy to manage. Okay, I hope that you're able to manage your hair properly this period. I hope that your hair God will grant it to you. So this is me signing out. I love you all so much for watching this video. Please, I hope that by now you've already liked this video. Thank you very much. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be